Hello, my dear students. Good morning. Myself, Dr. Jyoti Lahoti from Srimati LRT College of Commerce, Akola. So, students, today we are discussing about the topic that is Asian Development Bank, and this topic is from MCOM 4th semester. First of all, we see the meaning of development bank. Development banks are specialized financial institutions. They provide medium and long term finance to the industrial and agricultural sector. They provide finance to both private and public sector. Development banks are multi-purpose financial institutions. Now we see what are the types of development banks. Regional development banks, the African Development Bank, the Asian Development Bank, the European Investment Bank, the Inter American Development Bank, the North American Development Bank, and the last type, that is the World Bank. Now we see what is the Asian Development Bank. Founded in 1966, the Asian Development Bank's headquarters are in Manila, Philippines. The Asian Development Bank's primary mission is to foster growth and cooperation among countries in the Asia Pacific region. It has been responsible for a number of major projects in the region and raises capital through the international bond markets. The ADB also relies on member contributions, retained earnings from lending, and the repayment of loans for funding of the organization. How many countries are members of ADB? Now we see. The ADB is an alliance of currently 67 countries from almost all regions worldwide. All member states comprise a total area of 58.14 million kilometers square and about 5.06 billion people. This is 38.6% of the habitable area around the world and 67% of the world population. The motto of Asian Development Bank is fighting poverty in Asia and the Pacific. We already see the formation of Asian Development Bank is on 22nd August 1966. The purpose of Asian Development Bank is crediting. Headquarters are Mandalunga City, Metro Manila, Philippines. The region served, that is Asia Pacific. 67 countries are the members of Asian Development Bank. And the president of Asian Development Bank is Teg Hai Nako. Now we see how the Asian Development Bank works. The Asian Development Bank provides assistance to its developing member countries. The private sector and public-private partnership, private through grants, loans, technical assistance, and equity investments to promote development. The ADB regularly facilitates policy dialogues and provides advisory services. They also use co-financing operations that tap a number of official, commercial, and export credit sources while providing assistance. The key takeaways of Asian development banks are: primary mission is to foster growth and cooperation among countries in the Asia Pacific region. The majority of the ADB's members are from the Asia Pacific region. The ADB provides assistance to its developing member countries, the private sector, and public private partnership through grants, loans, technical assistance, and equity investments to promote development. This is the structure of ADB. First is board of government, then board of directors. The board of directors doing evaluation and compliance review. Then under the board of directors there is president, managing director general, and four vice president working under the presidents, and the various works are doing the managing director and vice president that are you see on your screen. Now we see the features of development bank. Following are the main characteristics or features of development banks. It is a specialized financial institution, provides medium and long term finance to business units. The more features of financial institutions are: firstly, financial institutions cannot take loans from the general public from deposit or other payable funds. Secondly, they are major contributors to financial leasing. Thirdly, financial institutions provide a lot of payment services through both online as well as offline modes. And the last, their licensing framework is of 3 months or 90 days. Now we see the role of development banks. Development banks play an important role in the promotion and development of the small scale sector. It also references banks and financial institutions that provide seed capital, equipment finance, etc. to SSR units. The more role of Asian Development Bank we are see now. Provides loans and equity investment to its developing member countries. The second, provides technical assistance for the planning and execution of development projects and program and for advisory services. Third, promotes and facilitates investment of public and private capital for development. And the last, assists in coordinating development policies and plans of its DMCS. Now we see what are the objectives of development banks. The main objectives of the development banks are: they promote industrial growth, to develop backward areas. Next, to create more employment opportunities. Next, to generate more exports and encourage import substitutions. Next, to encourage modernization and improvement in technology. And the last, to promote more self-employment projects. Now we see the principal functions of ADBs. First function is lending funds, then advisory services. Next, promoting investments for development purposes. Then, assisting in coordinating DMCs, development policies and plans. Then, provides loans for the economics and social development. Next function, help MCs in coordinating their development policies and plans. Next, provide financial and technical assistance to member countries for environmental protection. Next function, act as a financial intermediary by transferring resources from global capital markets to developing countries. And the last function, support public resource mobilization and management to member countries. ADB will focus its efforts on 5 drivers of change in the region: private sector development and private sector operations. Then, good governance and capacity development. Next, gender equity. Then, knowledge solutions. And the last is partnerships. In this context, it will focus on 5 core areas of operation: infrastructure, environment including climate change, regional cooperation and integration, finance sector development, education. ADB will continue to operate on a more selective basis in health, agriculture, and disaster and emergency assistance. Thank you. In the next lecture, we discuss another topic. Thank you. Thank you very much.